Good morning, children. This is class 8th GK. We are going to start with page number 22. The question is, what's the word? So, children, here they have given the word and its meaning, right? You have to match these words. In your exam, this would be given as in multiple choice question, right? Might be the meaning of the word is given and the words, 4 words are been selected from here and they are given in the option A, B, C, D. So means you have to select the correct word, right? So let's start with it. The first word is autotomy. The first word is autotomy. Autotomy is, children, the correct option to it is E. The answer is E. That is the voluntary separation of a body part from an animal under treat. Right? Under threat, sorry, under threat. So some animal is under threat and you remove the voluntary separation, the animal removes the body part, that is known as autotomy. Right? Next, bibliopole. Bibliopole, the answer is bibliography, you know, it's related with book. So it is a dealer who deals with rare books, the books which are very rare, right? Next is rhinoplasty. So as it says, it's something related to surgery, plastic surgery, right? So you are having the option over here, that is plastic surgery of nose. So the answer is, sorry, it's I. Plastic surgery on the nose, usually for cosmetic purpose. Next is mazel tov. Mazel tov is, meaning of the word mazel tov is used to express congratulations. That is your mazel tov. Okay. Next is ostentation. Ostentation is the person or the display of wealth and luxury. They show off, na? So that show off is also known as ostentation. So it is B, right? Countenance. Countenance are the expressions which you show, right? Expressions of the person, the facial expressions of the person. That is the countenance, which is given by the D. Right? Next is Teja Vu. And the correct is answer to this, a feeling that has seen or heard somewhere before. You have heard that feeling, you have seen that feeling on someone before. Next is horse d'oeuvre. Horse d'oeuvre is a dish usually served as an appetizer. So answer is C. Petite. Petite is, children, used to describe women who is very thin, right? So it is petite. Next is masochism. Masochism means you are showing off that you are abusing someone, you are dominating someone, right? So that is your F, that is masochism. So here the answer is F. Right? Pleasure in being abused or dominated. Let's move to the next page. The next page is the directors of the movie, right? We might be aware of many movies in this. The first, on the left hand side, you are having the names of the directors, the people who have directed the films, right? And on the right hand side, right hand column shows you the name of the films. So first is Gulzar. So Gulzar was the person who directed the film, that is Andhi. Answer is C, Andhi. Next is Stephen Spielberg. He directed Jurassic Park. If you've seen the movie Jurassic Park, you might be knowing this, right? It was Stephen Spielberg, F. Next is James Cameron, Titanic, the famous James Cameron, he was the director of the movie Titanic. Raj Kapoor, Raj Kapoor, he directed the movie that is Avara. Okay. Next is Danny Boyle. He directed the movie Slumdog Millionaire. Danny Boyle. Next is Ramesh Sippy. The famous movie Sholay was directed by Ramesh Sippy. Right? Next is Francis Ford Coppola directed the movie The Godfather. So here will come I. Right? Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray, children, he directed the movie Panther and Charlie. That is L. Next is Alfred Hitchcock. He directed the movie Psycho. He directed the movie Psycho. Alfred Hitchcock. Next is children Rishikesh Mukherjee. He directed the movie Anand. If you have seen this movie, ask your parents, they might have seen this, right? Next is George Lucas. George Lucas. Children, he directed the movie, this might be our favorite movie, Star Wars trilogy, right? Mine is. So, this was directed by George Lucas. So, whenever you watch a movie, children, just go through the names, right, of the director, right? It is shown there. Okay. Now, the last one is Patty Jenkins. He directed the movie Wonder Woman. So, this was the page 23 where you had to match the directors of the films with their films. Right? Let's move to the next page. Next page is very interesting, children. Anagrams. Anagrams is here one word is given to you. You have to rearrange the letters and you will get a new word. And that new word meaning will be this. So, allergy, a collection of picture. तो collection of picture को क्या बोलते हैं? I think it's gallery, है ना? So इसमें देखो gallery word बन जाएगा. See, it's over here. Can I write? Gallery is Gallery. So am I having G? Yes. A? Yes. L? Yes. ERY. Gallery. From allergy. If we rearrange the words, we will get gallery. That is collection of pictures. You have gallery folder in your mobiles, right? Next is auctioned. What new word? The meaning of the word new is the process of receiving or giving instructions in school. So it is education. 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 This can be rearranged to get the word education. Right, beta? Next, decimal. From this you will get a word meaning relating to diagnosis, treatment and prevention of diseases. Means medical. So decimal से word बन जाएगा. If you rearrange the words, it is medical. Right? Okay. Let's move to the fourth one. Tools. New word meaning a seat without an arm or back. Stool. Stool पे बैठते हो आप लोग, right? Next, master. New word meaning a narrow river. So it's stream. 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 If you rearrange the word alphabets of the word master, you will get stream. Right? Next, seated. The new word meaning is made fun of. So the new word is teased. You tease, na? Your friends. TEASED. Right? Next, remains. New word meaning a meeting for discussion or training. So it is seminar. S है E है MINAR. Seminar. Right, beta? Next, forest. Easier to cut, compress or fold. So it is softer. जो चीज soft होती है, it is easy to cut. Right? Next is scattered. वो new word meaning is acted in response. आप किसी को response देते हो, that is a reaction. So it is reacted. Right, children? So this is page number 24, anagrams, where on the left hand side a word is given to you and you are going to rearrange the alphabets of this word and you will get a new word, which is the anagram, whose meaning is already given to you as a clue. Right, children? Now let's move to the next page, which is about the volcanoes and the earthquakes. The volcanoes and the earthquakes. So children, here you can see that A is match and B is choose the correct option, right? So in match, on the left hand side, they have given you the volcanoes, right? And on the right hand side, they have given you the names of the country. So children, you are going to match these volcanoes with their location, means with the country in which they are present, right? Chalo, let's start with it. First one is Mount Vesuvius. So children, Mount Vesuvius is present in Italy. Mount Vesuvius is present in Italy. Next is Barren Island. Barren Island is present in India. Remember now, right? Mount St. Helens is present in USA. So answer to third one is H, that is USA. Mauna Loa. So Hawaii, right? Moana. You remember the movie? It's Hawaii. So it's present in the country, that is B, Hawaii. Oh, see, this pronunciation is very, very important. It is Aaf, Yaka, Tulai, Kutu. See the pronunciation. Aaf, Yaka, right? Tulai, Kutu. See the pronunciation. And this volcano, children, it is present in Iceland. So the answer is Iceland, fifth one. Next is Mount Pinatubo. Mount Pinatubo is present in Philippines. So the answer is K. Sorry. Next is Mount Fuji, which is present in Japan. So the answer to seventh one is D, that is Japan. Right, children? Eighth one is Mount Tambora. Mount Tambora is present in Indonesia. So its answer is G. Mount Pelée, it is present in France. The answer is J. Cotopaxi is present in Ecuador. The answer is L. Mount Erebus is present in Antarctica. The answer is C. Nevado del Ruiz is present in the last one, that is Colombia. The answer is F, right? So the major you have to remember is the volcano present in India, that is Barren Island, the volcano present in Hawaii, Mauna Loa, the volcano which is present in Japan, that also you need to remember, right? That is Mount Fuji. You know this, right? This is quite popular, right? Then you need to remember the major is Mountain St. Helens. Mountain St. Helens, which is present in USA. So remember few, at least you can remember the starting 5, right? That are of most importance. Now let's move to the section B, that is your MCQs. And these MCQs are very easy, we have done in science. First one is, on which of these scale is the intensity of earthquake measured? We know intensity of earthquake is measured on Richard scale, right? We have done in science. Second, which of these fault passes through California? So we know what is fault, we have done in science. So it is San Andreas fault. Third, on 26th January of which year did a deadly earthquake devastate the Bhuj area of Gujarat? So that time I was residing in Gujarat, a place called Bhavnagar, and I had experienced this earthquake, and that time I was in class 10th, right? So it was in year 2001. Right, beta? Next, in 2011, a 6.9 magnitude earthquake centered around an Indian state killed many people in India, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Bhutan. Name that state. So, children, these all countries, they are very near to Sikkim. So it was in Sikkim, right? Which of these places fall in zone 5, the highest earthquake prone zone in India? The highest earthquake prone zone is Srinagar. So this was about your volcanoes and the earthquake. This was your page number 25. Let's move to the next page number, and that is page number 26. That is neighboring India. So these are our neighbors, right, children? So in section A, they have shown you some interesting places, pictures. You have to identify that these pictures are of which places and they belong to which country, right? First one, I hope you all can identify. It is the Great Wall of China. So your first answer is C. Here you can see an option that is C, right? Next is also very easy. We know that. So second is where you can see the statues of God Buddha, right? That is your Tambula Cave Temple of Sri Lanka. That is a temple that is of Sri Lanka. So the answer is F. Third one is your Bodhnath Stupa of Nepal. Bodhnath Stupa of Nepal. I want you to see all these pictures on the Google, right? You will be able to relate it very nicely. Fourth picture is of the Ahsan Manzil of Bangladesh. E. Fifth picture is of Paro Taksang of Bhutan. So the answer is A. And the last picture, children, it is of Shwedagon Pagoda of Myanmar. So the answer is D. Right? Here the answer is A. Now let's do with the fill in the blanks. The dash has a short border with China at the end of Wakhan corridor in the extreme northeast of India. So children, I suggest you to see the map for this, right? So the answer to this is Afghanistan. The answer to this is Afghanistan. Right, children, first one. Afghanistan is sharing its border, very short border with China. Myanmar, we know, it is now not, it will, before it was known as Burma, B-U-R-M-A. Similarly, Sri Lanka का नाम, अभी तो श्रीलंका है, पहले इसका नाम था Ceylon, S-E-Y-L-O-N, Ceylon. ठीक है? Dash is the currency of China. Renminbi. Renminbi is the currency of China. Fourth का आंसर है रेन. देखो इसमें मिन भी लिखा हुआ है, पर इसे प्रोनाउंस मनबी करते हैं. Renminbi. You can call it Renminbi, right? It is min, right? The heir to the throne of Bhutan. Bhutan के जो next जो रूल करते हैं उसे बोलते हैं ड्रैगन प्रिंस. ड्रैगन प्रिंस, right beta? So this was your page number 26, the neighboring India, right? So you need to do the fill-ups which are given on this page, right? The picture part you can leave because as you are going to have the MCQs, right? So Myanmar was formerly known as dash, options A, B, C, D. right? Dash has a short border with China at the end of Vakan corridor in the extreme northeast of India. Names ABCD. Dash is the currency of China, so you have to prepare like that, right, beta? Sure. Let's move to the next page, and that is forms of government. Forms of government. Children, you have done this in your SST. You have done this in your SST. So children, this was your page number 27, forms of government. Now children, next page you are going to do as your homework. What is that page? That is page number 28. That is page number 28. 28 page आपका homework है. This is your homework page. What you have to do? You have to search their full forms. In computer, Shilpa ma'am has already taught you, right? So this is your homework page. This is page number 28. आपको यहाँ पे इसके full forms. What is CPU? What is IP? What is HTML? What is GIF? This all you know. You have to do this page as your homework, right? This is page number 28, right? Next page is this, books and the authors. So, you know the book Gitanjali, who is the author of that, Gulliver Travel, right? So what you have to do in this crossword puzzle, you are going to write the name of the author. This page is also your homework, right? So here today you are having two homeworks, that is page number 28 and 29. These two pages are your homework of the day, and that is the world of villains, right? Villains we know. So first, the name of the actor, Ralph Fiennes. He acted as a villain in Harry Potter series, and his name of the villain in the movie was Lord Voldemort, right? Next is Gabbar Singh, Amjad Khan. The movie name was Sholay. So the answer is Sholay, Sholay, right? Next, Mogambo. Mogambo Khush Hua in movie Mr. India. What was the name? Amrish Puri, right? Amrish Puri. So here in third one, the answer will come Amrish Puri, right? Fourth one, Ajit. Name of the villain was Lion. So it was Kali Charan. The movie name was Kali Charan. That you have to write, right? Fifth one, Shakal. Movie name is Shan, and the person's actual name is Kulbhushan, right? Gulbhushan, right? Sixth one, Ashutosh Rana. He played the villain Lajja Shankar Pandey in the movie Sangharsh. In the movie Sangharsh, Sanghars. Next, you might have watched the movie The Cornea, right? The Narnia, right? In that, the villain, that is Jedis, the White Witch, it was played by the actor Tilda Swinton. Tilda Swinton, right, children? And the last two, the Anthony Hopkins. He played the villain Dr. Hannibal Lecter in the movie The Silence of the Lambs. Next, you have watched the movie Snow White and the Huntsman. There, the Charlize Theron, she acted the villain named Queen Rowena. Queen Rowena, right? So this is it, children. So with this,